Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Laura Lost Craft Corner. Wanted to come on today as this is the second time I am doing this video. However, I will do it again and again, just so I can share Pretty Neat Creatives new kind of diamond painting. Whoop whoop! I know, I'm nuts, but you guys know that. And for the new subscribers or people coming in, you'll know that like through the first video. Anyway, Pretty Neat Creative I had purchased, and I know you've seen this on another channel. However, it is a different one, and it is the Big Fat Birdie Christmas Birdie, guys. And this is not an ordinary diamond painting. This is a cushion for a pillow, or you can make a pillow out of it. So it is cloth in the back, pretty lace cloth, like it looks like lace to me anyway. And it has a zipper and some felt for the in back here. So this is where you would insert the pillow or cotton or however you want to do. You know that stuffing that you stuffed animals with? Yep, that's it. And I fell in love with this picture. And a couple of disclaimers before we continue on this beautiful unboxing from Pretty Neat Creative. One, I am affiliated with the Pretty Neat Creative. So if you go through my link in the description below, I do get a small commission when you purchase from them. And that helps me bring new and exciting crafts to share with you guys in my channel. So I would appreciate if anyone was interested to go through my link, and I thank you very much in advance. Back to this beautiful little fat Christmas birdie. This is a partial, guys. Oh, I'm sorry. Before I do this again, I keep forgetting. You know, duh, not enough coffee, guys. One, this video is not made for children. And I know we are probably all by now, even though it's been a short time, so tired of saying that. But if you're a child, please remove yourself off this video. And also, yeah, parents, monitor your children on YouTube or any social media. And okay, so that's that. And another disclaimer. Actually, when and if you do purchase these cushions, please note, guys, excuse me, I'm sorry, didn't turn that off. Please, parents, when you're doing this, or even if you're not parents, if there's going to be kids around, please note that if you seal it, or even if you don't seal it, you will have to be careful and put this somewhere where kids are not going to touch it. Because we don't want kids playing with the beads or the drills and choking, and because you know us, the kids, they put things in their mouth when they're not supposed to. So please monitor your children, or put this somewhere, up on a shelf or somewhere, a room where the kids are not going to go. Anyway, so the background, this is a partial. It's very sparkly. The background is not, you don't diamond paint the background. However, you do diamond paint the little fat birdie. It's very, very sticky, guys. As you can see, I'm holding it because I'm at a new angle. My tripod broke, so bear with me in this video. Also, if you take a look at the drill field, it is clear as day. And as for the beautiful, beautiful diamonds with Pretty Neat Creative, this is a round, guys. Beautiful colors, as you can see. There's reds, there's browns, there's burgundies, there's purples and blues. And they always put the DMC codes on their packages, and they're in gold and they are in silver. So they're very readable. And even with the darker diamonds, it's silver. So it does not come with an inventory sheet. However, it will come with a schematic, and it's very eligible. It's very, easy to read, and no symbols to get confused with when you're doing diamond paintings with Pretty Neat Creative. Also, I just want to point out this symbol here is the new symbol that I have made up. And if you're a diamond painter, we have a habit of, number one, we name our colors like things like, shredded carrots and scrambled eggs, and we all do it, pea soup or whatever, and that's how we describe our colors. Also, now what I am bringing to the diamond painting community, this is the new and improved, and right here, this A17, hopefully you could see it. This reminds me, if it was green, the symbol was green, it would be better. However, it does look like a dill pickle. Use your imagination, guys. That looks like a freaking pickle. Come on now. Okay. So that is the new pickle symbol. So I showed you the colors. I showed you the diamonds. I am very excited to start this. I am going to kit this up right now and do this. It has 34 colors. The details are going to be phenomenal. Really excited. So I highly suggest, I've done Pretty Neat Creative diamond paintings before, and they are doing nothing but amazing me, impressing me, and you always get, they're always trying to bring new and exciting things to their website. You also will get a daily, if not weekly, discount, and with every diamond painting you get for your next order, you will receive a certificate for a code, actually, for more money off on your next diamond painting. This particular one is 15%. So therefore, guys, I highly suggest, you will not be sorry if you order from Pretty Neat Creative, and I would appreciate, once again, if you would go through my link. So that's all I'm going to say, and if you want to see the updates on this beautiful pillowcase, you have to subscribe to my channel, hit that little bell so you're notified, hit that like button, guys, hit that dislike button. It doesn't really matter to me, however you're feeling at the time. Also, any comments, questions, suggestions, or concerns, please put them below in the comments screen. And even if you just want to say, hey, Laura, how the hell are you? I respond to all my comments and questions, and I love reading your comments and questions. So thank you for the new subscribers, and thank you for the old subscribers that support my channel and support me in my videos and my channel. I appreciate that. Until my next video, guys, live, love, laugh, and craft. And do what makes you happy, because that's what's the most important. And laughter is the best medicine. So, hope you enjoy my channel. And take care, guys. Until my next one.